Good morning, CMA intermediate students. And this is for the students who have registered on or after 10th August 2020. Institute has sent and said that there will be a SAP training, there will be an computer training, soft skill training, and of course, training on e-filing and other things. And students were asking, sir, is it compulsory for me to attend? Let me tell you, the ICMAI has come with a fantastic initiative. It's a fantastic initiative by ICMAI because learning all these things matters a lot for your employability and career. Okay, I'll tell you about it maybe after 2 or 3 minutes. But is it compulsory for me? Don't compel yourself. Be a volunteer for this particular course. You're all blessed because in CMA curriculum, if you take subjects like financial accounts or direct tax or indirect tax, you're learning concepts in book, especially in income tax. You learn about salary income, house property income, income from other source, how to compute the tax, etc. But let us assume you learned tax, completed tax at the intermediate level. I am a person coming to you. You have completed CMA Inter. Okay, this is my income. Can you file return for me? Then you will ask, sir, I have not learned this in intermediate level. Where to register, which form to file, how to get the user ID and login, and how to file the returns, which form, which ITR I should use. Okay, so many confusions you will have, practical difficulties you will have. So the e-filing sessions is going to help you with respect to practical aspects of income tax. Okay, if you look at the SAP tools, okay, just go through the module that is given by ICMAI. It's a fantastic module. It's a fantastic module that is given. Just go through this. See, you are going to be employed in any of these areas. You are going to be employed in any of these areas. Okay, ERP overview, navigation. It can be a cash process, hire to retire process, plan to produce process. So many things. If you look at general ledger accounting, accounts payable, business process. See, these are the areas. When any one of the area you are going to be employed. So knowledge about it will increase your employability skill. It will definitely increase your employability skill. And please remember, if you have to do this particular thing on your own, you have to spend more than 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees for this particular course, which ICMAI is offering free for all the students. You should take it as an opportunity to do this particular thing. Okay, so don't compel yourself, but more than the examination certificate, qualifying or learning about all these things matters a lot. Okay, so go through this. Okay, go through this. All are related to our CMA day-to-day life. You can go through the structure. You can go through our website, that is ICMAI website, where you can find all these things. Okay, so it covers all the area: costing, finance, financial reporting. So many areas it covers. Okay, and without Microsoft, there is no life. Students are able to key in certain things in Excel, but when you're asked to use certain shortcuts, computations, graphs, okay, Excel commands, etc., you are not able to. But learning about Excel tools matters a lot. Okay, learning about Word tools also. Making a good PowerPoint presentation, how to do it, matters a lot. Then next one, soft skill. See, English is not just about communicating or speaking. I listened to certain lectures who will speak for more than 30 minutes or 1 hour, but nonsense they will speak. Okay, communication skills and soft skills are nothing to do with your English communication. It is about how you speak, whether the other person is happy or other person is yawning or other person is sleeping, other person says, on this meeting it will get over, like that. Okay, so how you speak matters a lot. Okay, all these things, soft skills, employability skills, definitely required for a CMA. Okay, so see, I would say, my friends, your learning and certification, that is your CMA intermediate, 8 subjects you pass, you are passing the intermediate. But the token for employment is based on all this soft skills and employability skills. Okay, which nobody will offer free. ICMAI has taken the initiative. Please do this particular thing. E-filing and training. Yeah, this is the most important thing. See, cost accountants take care of e-filing, and they do, audits. They also do cost audit, as well as they are not eligible to sign the financial reports of a company, but still, for those non-tax audit cases, they take care. So I had seen a lot of cost accountants who filed income tax returns for people. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity for you. It's a very good opportunity for you to learn about all these things, especially these areas, So when such a wonderful platform or a program is given by ICMAI, why can't you do it? Don't take it as a compulsion. Okay, this is going to give you real life. This is going to give you what? A real life. Join this. Okay, take this, learn everything, and the training partners. If you look at the training partner with ICMAI, they are having more than 160 worldwide networks, trained more than a lakh of professionals. Okay, it is founded about 20-25 years back. Okay, it's a very good company that is giving the training and tie up with ICMAI. So you should take up this not as a compulsion, not as a formality, but as a passport for your employment. Okay, definitely you'll be getting benefits out of this. So please join this. And of course, ICMAI website is containing all the details. I request you to log in. I request you to do this particular process. Okay, have a great day, friends. Keep learning, because behind every successful business, there is definitely a CMA.